I'm going to sing a song called Staten Island Railway Extension. Staten Island Railway Extension, we want to extend it. We want to all over Staten Island and to and from Bayonne. The Staten Island Railway Extension, it's been a long time. Yes, we want to add more stations. We want it all over Staten Island and to and from Bayonne. Yeah, we want all these new stations. I hope they build it. Get the pressure off the buses. The Staten Island Railway Extension, we will love it. Yes, it's been a long time coming. Staten Island Railway Extension, yes, we need it. There's a whole people that want it. Yes, it will be such a great thing for Staten Island. The Staten Island Railway Extension, we need to extend it from Richmond Valley Station. We also needed to extend it from Ballpark Station. That'd be cool, right? A train over to and from the Bayonne Bridge. With mixing with the Bayonne stops. Yes. Got all these different new stops. So build a Staten Island Railway Extension. We will love it forever, yeah. Staten Island Railway Extension, we will love it, yeah. Don't you love it? Staten Island Railway Extension. Yes, sir. We love it, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters.